James Gordon is the long-standing commissioner of the Gotham City Police Department. He is one of Batman's most essential partnerships. Their friendship and collaboration have played a significant role in Batman's efforts to aid Gotham. One of the Dark Knight's pals has now received their own version of the Commissioner, and it's great. In Detective Comics #1047 by Mariko Tamaki, Ivan Reis, Danny Miki, Brand Anderson, and Ariana Mar, Batwoman and Deb Donovan are revealed to be working together, establishing Deb as Batwoman's James Gordon. The Bat attempts families to deal with the freshly built Arkham Tower just before its debut are the center of Detective Comics #1047. Batwoman, who gains an ally in the shape of Deb Donovan, is one of the more renowned heroes participating in an early examination of the tower. Deb, a straight-shooting reporter for the Gotham Gazette, has recently appeared in more core Bat novels. She appears to have struck up a friendship with Batwoman after meeting her in disguise at a modest cafe. Deb's investigations into Dr. Ware with the Arkham Tower, and Batwoman's combat against criminals like the Party Crashers. The two are seen to develop a rapid connection, fooling about sneakily while yet passing on essential information. The fact that the two are working together is encouraging for Batwoman, who will have to stand up in the absence of Batman in Gotham City. Having supporters like Deb on your side is a wonderful start. It's also a positive step for Deb, cementing her place in the DC universe. Deb Donovan can effectively act as Batwoman's James Gordon, a civilian ally who can communicate information and formal backing while remaining apart from the Bat family. Deb, like Gordon, may be snarky with her buddy while still delivering a fresh and realistic viewpoint on their shared cause. Deb brings to the collaboration a couple of distinct layers that Gordon could not. Deb, unlike Gordon, is not a member of any recognized authority force in Gotham, instead of working as an intrepid reporter for a local daily. As a result, she is better equipped to investigate police misconduct than Gordon, who is forced to live among corrupt officers. In light of recent investigations into the relationship between superheroes and law enforcement, this appears to be a deliberate turn away from that problematic component of the genre. Given the two sarcastic ladies at the core of the connection, the duo may form a camaraderie similar to Batman and Gordon's, but with a pricklier surface layer. Deb also has an edge over Gordon in that she is well connected to Gotham City's upper crust, whereas the prior commissioner was more familiar with criminal families. It's a good progression for both characters, especially as Batwoman's role in Gotham's general security grows. Kate Kane now has a new member of her supporting cast in the core DC universe with whom she may build a personal and professional connection. This event also cements Deb's place in the DC universe's Bat Corner, elevating her to a far more important role. Batwoman finally obtaining her own Gordon-like figure who isn't a relative or a love interest like Red Alice or Maggie Sawyer is a fantastic and long overdue development for the character.